Hello guys, this is Kundu from MoneyWatch channel and welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to show you 3 apps through which you can earn PayPal money in your direct PayPal account. So let's get started. But before we get started, let you know, if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that whenever I release videos about making money online and the legit ways to make money online, you will come to know about that. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first website which I'm going to speak about is called the Money app. So it is moneyapp.org, moneyapp.org. You will simply go to this website, and this you don't need to go to this website particularly. You can go on Google Store or Apple Store, Apple App Store, and there you can download it. It's available on App Store and Google Play. So what you will do here, once you download the app, let you know that I'm showing you the desktop version of this particular app. You need to install it on your mobile so that you can earn money. So how you will do this? You will earn some credits while you complete some tasks like watching videos, sharing some content, completing surveys, and many more. They have a lot of hot offers, and once you click on the hot offers tab, you will have lots of offers on there, by which by clicking on that you can complete that offer, and once you complete that offer you will earn some credit. And once you will have enough credit balance, you can simply go to the payouts tab on your app, and you can simply get the withdrawal in your PayPal account, and it will be credited to your account within 48 hours, and you will be notified when once the payout is out. So this website is very legit. If you want to contact them, you can simply go to the contact, just email support@moneyapp.org, and you will come to know about the any questions you have. You can simply email the support staff. And one more thing, if you have any kind of questions regarding this website, then kindly comment on the comment section so that I can help you regarding this website. And this website is very legit. It's been online since 2015, and it's pretty awesome. You can also go through their terms of service. I highly recommend you go through this because I'm sorry, excuse me. I highly recommend you go through this, and just for your information, you should have read this thing. Okay. So one thing I wanted to tell you: don't create multiple or fake accounts. Don't use VPN proxies. Don't try to change your device ID. Do not spam your referral. One more thing just keep in mind that do not follow these practices, otherwise you will be banned from this particular app. And one more thing I wanted to tell you: you can earn more money by providing your referral code to some of your friends. If you suggest this app to your friend, then you can provide them the referral code, and once they download and enter your referral code, you will have some referral commission. So this is another nice way to add up your income. So this was my number one money making app, and this is moneyapp.org. And the next one I wanted to talk about is PlayNWin, Just go to this website, playandwinapp.com. You just go to this, and you will be presented to a website similar to this. But you can also go to the App Store or Google Play, and you can type in Play and Win, and you will get the app downloaded on your phone. It's nothing to say about this particular app because it's a simple app where you will play games and all, and you will win some prizes. They will give you cash I don't have this app, or this app is not downloaded on the computer, because apps are not downloaded on the computer. So you need to have mobile phone. You need to have this app installed on your phone. Then only you will be able to play games and win prizes. So this is particular. If you're killing your time watching news feeds on Facebook and watching YouTube videos, then it is a best way to invest your time in, and you will earn some extra cash. It will not make you rich, but it's a side income which will pay bills and all. Sorry, my phone is ringing. Pardon me. So what I wanted to tell you is, just go to the go to this website, PlayNWinApp.com, and or otherwise you can go to Google Play or App Store. Just type in Play and Win, and you will come to know about this app. This is pretty legit app, so you will count on this. The next one is Dosh.com, DOSH.com. Here what you will do, you must be spending money while purchasing some shoes, or while purchasing some, if you are doing online shopping, then you can earn cashback on your purchases. They have lots of shops in their web app, and like Walmart, ASOS, Instacart, Pizza Hut, and many more, Disney Plus. You can see here the list goes on and on, and they have more than 10,000 places to get cashback. And this is how you will earn cash. And let you know that once you accumulate $25 in cashback, you can get it transferred to your bank account, transfer to your bank, PayPal, or Venmo. I highly recommend you use PayPal because they are safe and convenient. So this one was pretty cool. If you are shopping, then you will get some cashback. Why not you get it if you are shopping? So these were my top 3 apps where you can get PayPal money in your PayPal account. I hope this video was valuable. And if you want to know the #1 way to make money without spending any dollar, then I highly recommend you click the link below in the description, which will give you a free training, because you don't have to pay any cash. The training is free, and you will come to know how to make a living on doing this. So if you want to learn more about making money without paying any dollar, then I highly recommend to click the link on the description. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.